2 months ago, I started a YouTube channel, and I was struggling to make thumbnails and that kind of stuff. And my CTR was low, and I got an idea to actually create an extension for a thumbnail. I spent 2 months of coding to deploy an application, Chrome extension that could actually help me. I thought that was the hardest part of that journey, like coding it and deploying to the Chrome store and everything. 5 days ago, I got my extension got approved, and yeah, and I thought when it gets approved, I will get like thousands of users, but reality, I got like 5 users, and three of that 5 users are me, my best friend, and my wife. I know I had to do something. I had to change something, and I have to promote my extension somehow, and I need like people actually to use it. But I never done like single task in a marketing, and I didn't know where to start. And then I heard like everyone needs the money for the marketing, and everyone suggests like do the video and that kind of stuff, but I'm not making the videos. I'm not that pro. I can sell the project, sell the app. Then I heard something about guerrilla marketing, and I got interested with. And yeah, some suggestions like find forums and the social network page. But first, what I tried first day, I found the Reddit where place to be in and how to promote my application there. First part, I started doing it on the big subreddits, trying to find like related content with the thumbnails and actually my extension content. Small creators, YouTubers, content creators, all that big subreddits have a really hard rules where you cannot like post whatever you want. And every single post that I post there, I got deleted or I got banned from that subreddits. Everyone is telling me like, don't do this. Like, first step I totally missed. That's the day one. And I didn't give up on day one. Then I changed approach. Okay, I cannot post on the subreddits. I tried to be hunter, and I spent an hour scrolling through the threads and Reddits looking for people complaining about low CTR and bad thumbnails design and suggestion. And I contacted them privately in the DMs, and I sent them like 10. I found a 10 user, but that 10 user took me like maybe 2 or 3 hours to find, because I was scrolling through different posts, through different kind of posts and topics to find people complaining about the low CTR or bad thumbnails, and I sent them the link of my extension in DM. And day two also was a failure, because I found 10 people, and nine of that 10 people, I believe they didn't even read the message, and just one answered me. And guess what he said? Like, he's too busy and he's not working on the YouTube at the moment. Yeah, spending like 2 hours to find person just to be rejected in less than a second. Like, ah, that was my day two. Okay, day three, I again changed the approach. So, and I believe this is the pivot here. I was about to give up, and I tried. I told to myself like, this is the last shot, and I will try it. Instead of like selling them, instead of like contacting people, I started like giving people a value and giving them the real help. And my idea was to find the people who asks about the feedback for their thumbnails. Idea was I took my extension, took their thumbnails that they post to be, to ask for feedback, insert in my extension, preview it in the YouTube to actually show them and analyze them. I took the screenshot of that results of the analysis and sent to them. Suddenly, the vibe changed. I found like 6 or 7 people asking for thoughts about thumbnails. Of course, it's not just 4 or 7 people that ask for thoughts. All the other people that see that post or want to give a thoughts will see that link. One guy uh, answered me with the game changer comment there, and he said like this is exactly what I needed. That thing motivates me to keep this thing up. Like next couple of days I will be doing this kind of marketing and showing the people real pain that I saw with the extension and saving their time and showing exactly what it does and helping them. If you can see now from the graph, 40 people clicked on that link. So 7 posts I found, 40 people clicked, and it's not like this is today. This happened today. So what will happen in next days? I don't know. This is like just one day of finding those people. It's a long way to get like for the 1K users, but today I learned that helping one person is better than spamming like thousands of people inside like subreddits. Subscribe if you want to see if actually I can succeed with this installs, and maybe you can install the extension as well if you want to test it and to be part of my journey. So thanks for watching and thanks for your attention, guys.